Hello everybody, today we are playing more Roblox. And today I'm going to play Natural Disaster Survival. Let's get into it. Yeah. So, ready with the 1, 2, 3. Look at how I walk. So next map is Happy Home. I walk awesomeness, look at me. Ooh, Happy Home. Hello, Happy Home. Ooh, seesaw. Look at me. I'm walking like juice. Seesaw. Whoop, 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 whoop. Whoop. Oh, whoop. Does that actually hurt people? Like, I got hurt. Well, I'm going up. What the heck? Okay. Alright, what is the thingamajig? Hey, I'm on the roof. Actually, earthquake, get outside and stay on the tall instructions. No, earthquake, earthquake, Get outside and stay away from tall structures. That's tall. Like, it actually pulls you to there. As you can see, I have a new... Oh, I almost died. Oh, look at the earthquake destroy the house. What are you dudes doing? As you can see, I have a new person. I look sick. But right now... I have the animation walk right here. Whoa. Woo. Woo. People are already dead. I'm in the green of health. Oh, hey, person, save yourself. This guy is not even doing anything. He doesn't even have no face. Huh. Oh, gosh. Holy, it destroyed the house. Yay, I won. Head Steve Noodles. Yay. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Whoop, 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 whoop. Whoop, whoop. I got a badge. This is actually my first time playing this game on my phone. Not like I played it on the computer, but not on the phone, but... High school. Where is that? It's right there. See, look at that. I'm gonna learn some new high school stuff. Even though I'm in 4th grade. I actually am in 4th grade, but... Oh, so if you fall... I'm gonna go in the women's because I am savage. Okay, hello. I gotta take a little poop. I can't take a little poop. Okay. It's a cheese bomb. Alright, let's see in our bathroom. Okay, can I take a poop in here? I can't, but I really have to do this one. Acid rain. Stay indoors. Okay. Oh gosh. It is acid. Okay, I'm gonna whoa, I don't want to be in there. Hey, get out of the men's bathroom, girl. The girl's in the men's bathroom. So, I'm going to talk about my... Oh, gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, my gosh. Okay. Oh, my gosh. What's in here? No, I'm not going in. No. I'm almost dead. I'm so almost dead. Ah, no. No. I am almost dead. So, let's, talk about my new outfit. First I have jeans and some shoes. And then I have a little jacket, a rainbow, like, this jacket. Then I have, like, I have a ninja mask, this hair. I have, like, slime glasses and a slime president, I guess it's on my head. And pretty much, I think I'm gonna die, but let's just see. I look awesome, and I have the animation. Oh, I survived! I still survived! Holy! My mouth! My gosh! My gosh! My gosh! My gosh! My gosh! 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 Alright, I hope I can do one more, hope I can survive one more thing, and then I'm gonna end the video. Party playlist! Oop. I spit it on my phone, but I cleaned that off. Sorry. Whoa, I'm here. But yeah. Ticket, please. I shoot him. Ah! Whoa! What was that? And I'm drooling. Dang it. I drooled on my Donkey Kong shirt, but whatever. But pretty much I'm just gonna end the Sandstorm probably. But I'm gonna end the video right here because sometimes on Sandstorm anyway. Oh, dodge flying objects. What, this place has like 20,000 objects. Wow, okay. Well, I'm gonna end the video right here. Thank you very much for watching. I'm only gonna end the video right here just because AirShell kind of never doesn't work. This is air or something like that. So I have to do like short videos, but I hope you guys enjoyed this one. I will see you all later. Bye.